So today I'm going to be putting together the NODOCA Tufting frame, which you can buy from Amazon. Now it comes with these instructions. It shows the size of the frame and the model, which is by NODOCA. It shows all of the pieces that comes in the kit and how you should be putting it together. Here I've just lined out all of the pieces that I'll be needing. We'll move these out of the way. So we're just going to start by taking out the actual pieces of the frame itself. So the first thing you want to do to make this easier for yourself is to put the T-screws and bolts together. Just work your way through, making sure you do this to all of them. Now we want to start by taking one of the shorter metal pieces and then using the corner supports, we're going to just slide that in, bolt it down. Line it up with the leg, and then once that's up against it, just tighten that down. Turn it around and then put the other support piece on the other side, making sure it's right up against it, and then again tighten it down. And then once the one leg is done, we just want to repeat this process onto the other leg, making sure again it's lined up in the same place. Put it up against the first leg, make sure it's in the right position, and then using the support edges just tighten this down to make the second leg. So now that we've got the two legs finished, we're just going to move on to the three long panels. We just want to get the corner supports, line them up at the edge as flush as you can get it, and then just tighten it down with the bolt and the T-screw. And then we're just going to follow this process on the other two pieces, making sure that all of the corner supports are flush with the edge. So now that we've got all of the corner pieces into position and we've got the two legs prepared, these are here. We're just going to stand up the two legs, and now using these little spiky plastic pieces, we're going to slide them down, making sure that they're facing outwards. So you should see that the left one they face left, and in the right one they face to the right. Now we've got the top and bottom panels for the frame itself. Now the top one, again, the spiky bits need to be facing upwards, and then for the bottom one, they need to be facing downwards. Now we're going to start by putting the support in for the legs, so just moving the legs over, we'll get one of the longer pieces that we didn't put the plastic in, and we'll tighten it into place. So just line it up where you want, put the T-screw in, tighten it down, do the same to the other side. So I actually use this little black plastic piece just to make sure that they're lined up the same on both sides. Now we want to put the bottom of the frame on, so just hold it where you can and tighten it into place for now. This doesn't have to be the final position, it's just to have it held in place first. Now what I did was I used a tape measure. I started with 130 centimeters and just marked it off with a black Sharpie, and then did the same on the other side. And then using the little black mark, I tightened both sides into place. Now with the top it's pretty easy, you just push it all the way up and make sure it's lined with the top, and then that can be tightened into place. Making sure to do the same on the other side. And that's it, that's the frame pretty much finished. Now it did come with a few other pieces. This little plastic cap, pretty useless, it doesn't actually clip onto the top. You can use it on the bottom, but it's not secure as you can see. The little black plastic caps here can be used to actually cap off the sharp bits at the edges. And then these little eyelets slide into the side. So I'm just going to get some primary tufting cloth and put this on the frame to show you it in action, making sure you go all around the edge, tightening it up as you go, keep tightening it until it's as tight as you can get it. Make sure that the little lines on the cloth itself are as straight as possible, and if you think it's tight enough, try and tighten it even more. Now with the eyelet, I actually made my own yarn feeders. What I did was I got some M5 bolts and M5 eyelet screws, and then I actually bent these myself and put them on using the metal piece that was on there before. These work much better as they face forwards and they stick out protruding from the frame. The ones that came with the kit, as they were on the side, it's pretty easy for the yarn to get stuck on the metal, so personally this was a little upgrade which I would recommend doing. Now I'm just going to end the video off with showing the frame in action. Please like the video if you thought it was useful, consider subscribing, it really helps out. My socials are linked below, so please take a look at my Instagram and TikTok. But other than that, I really hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching.